Lesson 4, Project Integration Management. First lesson, which is specific for a given knowledge area. Project Integration Management is a knowledge area which is focused to integrate the outcomes of rest of the processes. Project Integration Management helps project manager or a team to bind the project from start till end. Now, we spoke about that we have 5 process groups. So, Project Integration Management has processes in each process group. Initiating, planning, executing, monitoring and control, and closing. Project starts with a process called Develop Project Charter. Develop Project Charter gives us an output in a form of a project charter which talks about the vision, outcomes expected, authority given to the project manager for the given project. This is a step which initiates or which starts the project. Once we get the project charter, project manager starts doing planning. Develop project management plan. A second process of project information knowledge area, project integration management knowledge area is develop project management plan. We have rest of the 9 knowledge areas, and each knowledge area has a planning process like plan time management, plan cost management, plan quality management, etc., etc. So output of all these plans, because they become a subsidiary plan of a project management plan, goes into the project management plan. And once we get a baseline project management plan, this project management plan is used in all execution and monitoring and control processes. So any process falling under execution, irrespective of knowledge area, must be looking at project management plan. All the controlling processes of a respective knowledge areas would be looking project management plan to know their baseline. The third process, direct and manage project work. This direct and manage project work, the process which gives us deliverable. This is the only process which generates the output expected from the project. It also generates work performance data. It tells us which all activities are done and which all activities are in process. Now this deliverable is the one which reaches to the customer ultimately. A third process of project integration management. In monitoring and control process group, project integration management has 2 processes. Monitor and control project work, and perform integrated change control. So these 2 processes, monitoring and control project work, is responsible for overall controlling rest of the project. So overall project monitoring and controlling happens through monitor and control project work. This is the process which gives us project performance reports, because it takes work performance information from rest of the controlling processes and gives us work performance report. This also may recommend some change request as on the basis of the monitoring and control inputs it gets from remaining processes. Perform integrated change control, the only process in 47 processes which can give us approved or rejected change requests. So what does it mean? All changes expected or recommended in the projects happens through this particular process, because this process is responsible for integrating the complete change management in a project. And close project or phase is a process which is responsible for closing the project or phase. So if you look back, this knowledge area is having a process distributed in each process groups, and all these processes are primarily playing a role of an integrator. Project management plan integrates rest of the planning and processes. Execution ensures that things are happening as per the plan and things are happening in an integrated manner. Change is getting integrated, monitoring and control is getting integrated. If you are managing project in a complex environment, your main focus would be managing integration, because you may be having people or a team for managing respective knowledge area. Like there may be a dedicated people who are working on scheduling and time management related problem. There may be a people who would be working in a costing related problem. But as a project manager, as a CEO of a project, you are responsible for integrating the outcomes coming from various processes of a respective knowledge area, so that complete project get executed as per the project charter, as per the employee, customer or a stakeholder expectations, and you deliver the project outcome to the business.